Is Aditya Thackeray trying to broker peace between India bloc allies amid developing fault lines and repeated election losses? Key India bloc meetings are happening back to back in the aftermath of Delhi election on the invitation of Mr. Thackeray, who is facing some serious political crisis in his own state. To begin with, a day after Sharad Pawar's move to felicitate Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde at a function in New Delhi, the political row has escalated. After Sanjay Raut, now Aditya Thackeray has also expressed his displeasure over the felicitation, saying traitors shouldn't be recognized. He said, "I don't know about Pawar's principle, but it is not in our principle to give traitors and backstabbers any recognition." Sanjay Raut had earlier said honoring those who divided Maharashtra was a blow to the state's identity and self-respect. Mr. Thackeray, son of former Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, claimed that a person who is anti-Maharashtra is also anti-India. The Mahavikas Aghadi includes Shiv Sena Uddhav Bal Thackeray, Congress, and NCP Sharad Pawar. It has been in disarray since Mr. Pawar honored Shinde with the Mahatji Shinde Rashtra Gaurav Puraskar. Mr. Shinde, who led a rebellion within the Shiv Sena in 2022 and helped topple Uddhav Thackera's government, has been labelled a traitor by the Thackeray faction already. This is the latest in a series of rifts between the Lok Sabha allies united under the joint opposition umbrella India Bloc in 2024. The fault lines developed after India Bloc's disastrous performance in Maharashtra election, where BJP-led NDA won a historic mandate. Then Delhi and Haryana also saw BJP soaring high, where India Bloc members like Aam Aadmi Party and Congress falling down. Maybe in an effort to solidify the rocking foundation, Mr. Thackeray met Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in New Delhi late Wednesday. Sources suggest that during their meeting, Mr. Thackeray and Mr. Gandhi discussed concerns related to the Election Commission's role in the election process, a common ground on which these parties also attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party several times during election campaigns for both the State Assembly as well as Lok Sabha. Following his meeting with Rahul Gandhi, Aditya Thackeray is now set to meet former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Aam Aadmi Party recently faced a setback in the Delhi Assembly election, where the BJP secured 48 out of 70 seats, while Aam Aadmi Party won just 22, helping BJP return to power in the national capital after a gap of almost 3 decades. Congress continued its poor performance, failing to win any seat for the third consecutive election season. Aam Aadmi Party has accused Congress of sabotaging its chances in at least 13 Delhi constituencies, leading to further speculation about tensions between the two parties despite their national-level alliance. Adding to the trouble, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announced her Trinamool Congress will contest Bengal elections in 2026 without the Indian National Congress, which led to backhanded attacks between both the parties.